Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll talk about the JetBlue baggage policy. So let's get started. So when it comes to the free baggage allowance, JetBlue permits one free carry-on baggage and one personal item per passenger. The personal item must fit under the seat, while the carry-on baggage must fit in the overhead bin. And with the checked baggage allowance, baggage allowances vary by fare class. And for instance, the standard fare may include one checked baggage, while higher fare classes like Blue Bus and Blue Flex offers more. And when it comes to the size and the weight restrictions, carry-on bags must not exceed 22 by 14 by 9 inches, and checked baggage have a maximum liner dimension of 62 inches and a weight limit of 50 pounds. And when it comes to the additional fees, extra fees may apply for additional checked baggage or if a passenger exceeds their allowance, with costs vary by destinations and baggage type. And when it comes to these special items and updates, JetBlue has specific policies for transporting sports equipment and a musical instrument, and passengers are encouraged to check the airline's website for the latest information. So yeah, that was the video for today. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you guys in the next video. Cheers.